all you're gonna need to do this is about a cup of laundry detergent of your choice, an old ratty towel that you don't really care about, and of course your oven racks. You're also going to need a sponge of some, but this is going to be the easiest and quickest, practically no scrub method to wash your really nasty oven racks. So let's get started. So what we're gonna do first is put top in your bathtub and then lay down that old towel. This is just so you don't scratch your bathtub with your oven racks. And then you're gonna turn your water on here as hot as you possibly can, and you're gonna add about a cup of laundry detergent. You're just gonna wanna let your oven racks sit for probably 5 or 6 hours or so. You could definitely leave them overnight if yours are like super bad. If you don't have a bathtub, you could also do this in like an old storage tote, or I've even heard of people doing these in garbage bags as well. If you don't have a tote or something that your oven racks fit in, you can definitely do this in a trash bag. Do the same thing, let it sit for about 5-6 hours overnight if need be, and I will see you guys in a couple hours to finish off these oven racks. So it's the end of the day now. These have been soaking for probably about 8 hours. I have just a simple wire scrub brush. You could use just a regular like dish sponge, but this is what I'm gonna use to just ever so slightly scrub all that loose stuff. I'm gonna show you guys how much dirt and grime actually came off of the oven racks. That's the water that they've been soaking in, and we just kind of rinsed them off in. This is by far the easiest way to clean your oven racks. Total, this probably took me 15 minutes of my actual personal time.